I'm with the beautiful.
My name's Ashanti.
Amanda.
Hi.
Hey.
Amanda.
I'm with the lovely Amanda. How you doing?
Good.
What holiday coming up?
What?
Based on my appearance, right? Or like my voice, do I look like I'm a cheater or like I would treat you right?
Yeah, Thanksgiving. Yeah.
From a touch road, heavy guy looking, got me clean, that's for certain. Money for my mind, so me never run broken. Enough pretty gal. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
You look like you a sweetheart. You probably treat him right. It's giving nice guy.
Can I stuff your
Oh,
turkey?
yeah. You
I
can. Yeah.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
On a scale of 1 to 10, right? How freaky would you say you are?
I'm gonna say an 8.
An 8?
But I could give you a 10.
Oh, say less.
Like a calm 4 or 5.
Can I see the 4 or 5 clean?
I'm about to go stuff a turkey, man.
Stuff my turkey.
We out. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy RvreWuan, back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? All gas, no brakes, no face, no case, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. In today's video, man, that, man. Y'all see the caption, man. But like, if you're new to my channel, bro, first time seeing one of my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like button, share the video, comment if you got any questions, man. Cause we going up, man. You feel me? I'll drop a video like almost every day, man. I ain't gonna say no more, man. Tune in. I mean, it was good. The real TV gang, you know what I'm saying? We outside. I ain't been outside in a minute, I ain't gonna lie. But like, listen, y'all know when I post, I'm outside. It's a movie viral, you feel me? So like, I'm trying to get this banger done for y'all. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? We outside. I'ma see y'all later. You feel me? Gangsta.
Man down. All you see is helicopters. Paramedics, pick him up. They gon' send him to the doctor.
So today I'm with the beautiful.
Hi, Enola.
How you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm good too. What holiday coming up?
What?
Holiday coming up.
Oh, great.
Uh-oh, retard alert. Retard alert, class.
Great. I'm gonna get fucked up on holiday, guys.
Okay. On Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah, Thanksgiving. Yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna get
Fucked up!
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
so
Oh, I'm beautiful. Wow.
since Thanksgiving coming up, right?
Yeah.
You know people eat turkey, right?
Yeah, I hate turkey. I hate his dick.
Oh! Let me tell you, we don't care.
Oh, that's your girlfriend.
No, I just eat his dick.
Wait a minute.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Hey, I'm home.
Oh no.
Dude, what are you doing?
Alright, perfect. So this leads to my next question. So like, since Thanksgiving coming up, right? People eat turkey, right?
Yeah.
I was hoping that I could stuff your turkey for Halloween. I mean, for Thanksgiving.
Stupid.
How do I stuff my turkey?
What?
Can I stuff your
Oh,
turkey?
yeah. You
I
can.
can?
Yeah.
Oh my God!
For real?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you
okay
free
with that,
tonight?
buddy?
Are you free tonight?
Oh!
Are you free tonight?
I'm free
Okay.
all the time.
Let's go. Stuff my turkey, big.
What did you say, nigga?
I'm from Quebec, tabarnak.
Huh?
Listen,
People are gonna.
she asked me if I'm free, and I'm free, so I'm about to go stuff a turkey, man.
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Let's go stuff my turkey.
We out. We go. Bye, fresh.
Okay, bye.
Like, today I'm with the beautiful,
Amanda.
with the lovely Amanda. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Alright, you feel me? So like, the first question is real light though. So like, based on my appearance, right? Or like my voice, do I look like I would treat?
From a Dutch road, heavy guy looking. Got me clean, that's for certain. Money for my mind, so me never run broken. Enough pretty gal. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
Treat you right, or like I'm a cheater, like I'm a player. You feel me?
I think you would treat me right.
I'm gonna treat you right.
Yeah.
Why?
The way that you said the lovely Amanda, like. Okay.
She want me. She want me.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the way I said it for you. Alright, I feel you. So next question though is it's a bit spicy. How you feel about spicy stuff?
Let's see. Let's see how spicy.
Alright, so like on a scale of 1 to 10, right? How freaky would you say you are? Like 10 being mad freaky, like demon timing, and like 1 being like a virgin or a saint. Yeah, you said let's see.
Okay, but what if I was a virgin though?
What if you was a virgin?
Yeah.
Then it's like a 1. Like you ain't no virgin. She ain't no virgin, man.
You don't know that?
I don't know that. I might have to find out, man.
Oh. I'm gonna say like a calm 4 or 5.
Stop the cap.
I'm not gonna say too much.
Oh, 4 or 5?
Can I see the 4 or 5 clean?
Yo, I like her. I ain't gonna lie. Like she said, she ain't gonna say too much. She discreet with it. You feel me? So like, I might have to find out. You feel me?
Oh. Find out is crazy.
Find out is crazy.
Find out is crazy.
Yo, you gonna figure this out like off camera. You feel me? But like real quick.
Okay, bye.
Alright, so today I'm with the beautiful
Amanda.
How you doing?
Good.
What about you?
I'm good. My name's Ashanti.
First question though is real simple. Like based on my appearance, right, and my voice, do I look like I'm a cheater or like I would treat you right?
My
appearance, my voice, like whatever.
You look like you a sweetheart. You probably treat him right.
What about you?
It's giving nice guy.
Nice guy?
Yeah, for the most part.
How you feel about spicy stuff?
I like spicy stuff.
Like spicy stuff?
It better be real spicy now.
Oh, say less.
Alright, say no more. What about you?
Just ask the question.
Yo, they with it. So like on a scale of 1 to 10, right? How freaky would you say you are? Like 10 being mad freaky and 1 being like a virgin or a saint.
She freaky to me. I'm like
Nah,
an
I'm
8.
asking you. I'm talking to you. You said it better be spicy. So like, let me see something.
Let me see something.
Yeah.
Get that pussy wet with words, cause she loves when I sleep. I'm not.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
I'm gonna say an 8.
An 8?
But I could give you a 10.
Oh, say less.
Give me a 10. Listen, after the video, I'm gonna have to go get that 10, man. You feel me?
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
What about you?
A 1.
Yeah.
A 1? Capping, man. Look at the camera and say 1. Say 1.
A 1.
Capping, man.
You capping.
We gonna play a little game though, you feel me?
Later that night.
Show you this
Amanda.J16.
Y'all better follow him, man, and we out.
Wait a minute.
Listen, you can do whatever you want to do. Don't let nobody tell you what you could do, what you can't do, what you should do, nigga. You feel me? It's your life. Do what you want. Life too short, you know what I'm saying? To be listening to what people saying. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Tell people mind their business. Worry about themselves. And you worry about yourself. Don't let nobody tell you what you should do, what you not doing. Like, nigga, tell them niggas mind their business, you heard? For me, it's your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want to do something, go for it, nigga. Like, don't be scared. Don't care about what people think, nigga. That shit don't matter. It don't matter, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm on side, nigga. Stupid, like, ain't nobody telling me none. What happened? What's up? What's up? What's up, nigga? What you looking at?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Fuck you staring at, bitch.
Alright. Don't do that, but like, I get the message, you feel me?
Just stay focused, you understand? You know what I'm saying? Keep your mind straight on the prize. Don't let nothing get in between. You know what I'm saying? Gotta focus up. Like my boy Fabio said, fully focused. You know what I'm saying?
Fully focused, man.
Gotta be fully focused. Can't let shit get in between the way you and your goal. You gotta just do it. You gotta just do it. You know what I'm saying?
No spending no Suburbans. These niggas copy the wave, but I'm just happy that they learn it. Get to the money, I get to the money, I get to the breach.
get to the money, I get to the money, I get to the breach.